Astro Excel for the coming week, pretty similar to last week, mostly bullish implications. Coming into Sunday night, Monday morning, we're up above the 10 line, peaking out here Monday at the day session close. A little bit of pressure coming back down into Tuesday, about 11 a.m. Still up above the 0 line. Then we're going the rest of Tuesday, peaking out through Wednesday into Thursday morning around 3 a.m. Then we've got a down drift into midnight the 23rd, and then we've got a push up through Friday to the close to about the plus 20 line again. So the pressure for the week is going to be to the upside. We've got some blue line spikes Monday here at 1 a.m., Tuesday at 3 a.m., Tuesday at 7 a.m. Wednesday we have a 9 a.m. spike, then late at night 2200. Then on the 22nd we've got the 12 o'clock noon spike, and then that's really the last important one for the week. Anyhow, that's the Astro Excel pressure for the week, mostly bullish, with the exceptions of these two green line pushdowns here. Remember, look for synchronicity between the two blue lines. Between the blue and the green line, and look for the places where they're merging in the same direction.